So welcome back everyone. Today I have two pairs of shoes for you because I know it's been a minute, so I've been waiting for these shoes to come in. But I have the Yeezy Boost 350 Israfil, I don't know if that's how it's pronounced, but I also have the Ultra 4D shoes as well, so let's get into it. I'm believing these are the Yeezys, so I'm gonna use my keys, my little keychain, and let's see what's popping inside of this box. Alright, so yeah, these are the Yeezys, as you can already tell. 350. Of course, 350 on top, Boost on the side, sizing on the front. Let's get straight into it. Yo, these shoes always got me smiling. All right, so let me take out both pairs so you guys can see them. Oh, so they come with an extra pair of laces now. Okay, so that's new. I did not know that. Okay, I'll show you guys right now what's popping. We got some new stuff up in here. So that little card was just saying what the shoes were Primeknit on the uppers and all that. But put that over there. Damn, they were kind of squished though. Alright, yeah, they look kind of flat. They're always coming out like a little round. So these are a 9.5, and as you can already tell, these are the one lace that just doesn't come off. I don't know how these are supposed to come off. Oh, okay. I don't know how these work, but you see, I just took off the little thing. I just put it back on because I don't know. I don't want to mess with it. Okay, so here are the shoes. It's like a bluish Israfil. Like, come on, bro. Like, y'all gotta just already know if you're into shoes. But these are pretty nice, honestly. I actually like this colorway. It's something different. It's not the usual like black and white that matches with everything. These are a little harder to match with clothes and, like, you know, keep a nice fit. But I don't want to take too long on this pair, so we're gonna hop into the Ultra 4D shoes right now. So we got the Ultra 4D right here, and ooh, looking nice already. Oh wow. So it says Adidas 4D if you can't tell. And okay, so it just says of Adidas 4D and the sizing as well. So these are a size 9.5. And let's see what's popping. Kind of like a Yeezy box. Yo, these are crazy. So here's the 4D shoes. Of course, 4D printed on the bottom. Wow, these are nice. Holy crap. Okay, so it says Ultra 4D on the inside. You're not gonna tell until I show you in the close-ups, but so far these are actually really nice. The sole, everything. It's just nice black, little purple, like very light. It's not too much. Okay, so, and of course these are running shoes, but this is a really nice shoe. I feel like it's really well designed, especially with the uppers and just everything, the sole, midsole, all that good stuff. You know, I mean, they make it worth your buck. So enough talking. I'm gonna bring the close up to both of these pairs right after this, and I will have an on feet, and I'll see you at the end of the video. So that wraps up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you guys think about this shoe, if I should keep them or if I should sell them. But for sure these are gonna go, and I'm debating on whether to keep these or not, because this is like it's like a really different shoe now. It's like 4D printed. Like who has those kinds of shoes? But leave a like, I really do appreciate it. It helps me get out there, and hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll catch you in the next one.